City attorney today reflected on hearing U.S. Supreme Court oral arguments in person. The case she heard Monday, one involving the rights of homeless people, and it's one in which she herself signed onto a brief supporting the rights of cities. She shared those insights with 13's Callie Holthouse today. Callie, what can you tell us?
Well, Melissa, this is a case dealing with the 8th Amendment. Is it cruel and unusual punishment to criminalize sleeping outside when not enough beds are available for homeless people in a community? Topeka City Attorney Amanda Stanley shared her unique insight with me today.
This is probably one of the most important cases for local governments this decade.
Johnson versus Grants Pass is a case currently before the U.S. Supreme Court that challenges a city's ability to prohibit people from sleeping in public spaces. Amanda Stanley, Topeka's city attorney, was one of only 41 attorneys who sat in on oral arguments on April 22nd.
And it deals with homelessness and whether or not the Ninth Circuit was right when you have a constitutional right to homelessness.
It stems from a class action lawsuit filed by a group of homeless people in Grants Pass, Oregon, for its city ordinances criminalizing sleeping in public spaces. They argue that since humans need sleep and Grants Pass has no public homeless shelter, the laws effectively criminalize being homeless and violate the 8th Amendment.
Can you criminalize someone's status? So if someone's status is being homeless, can you criminalize that? I think everyone agrees no. But the question is, can you criminalize conduct?
The Ninth Circuit Court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs and issued an injunction to the law. Now appealed to the High Court, Stanley says it's hard to gauge where justices stand.
You probably had a good 5 votes that were pretty firmly in favor of the Ninth Circuit getting it wrong. There were a lot of questions from the justices saying, shouldn't we let the law play out?
She says the precedent set by Johnson v. Grants Pass would impact Topeka's response to homelessness.
It could pretty dramatically impact us. So if they say the Ninth Circuit's right, you can't criminalize any kind of conduct related to something that's a necessity, that could dramatically change what we do.
The High Court is expected to issue a decision sometime in June. In the meantime, Stanley told me it'll be business as usual here in the capital city. I'll continue following this case and how it impacts us right here in Northeast Kansas to bring you the latest updates.
Keeping an ear out.